To integrate Semrush position tracking into your digital marketing strategy, start by creating a project in Semrush. This project will serve as the foundation for your position tracking efforts, allowing you to monitor your website's performance and track changes in search engine rankings over time. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Projects tab. Click on the Create Project button and enter your website's domain name. Choose the target country and device type, and then select the keywords you want to track. You can add keywords manually or use the keyword research tool to generate suggestions. Once you have created your project, navigate to the Position Tracking tab. Here, you will see an overview of your website's current rankings for the selected keywords. You can filter the results by keyword, device type, and location to get a more detailed view of your website's performance. To set up position tracking, click on the settings icon and select the tracking mode. You can choose from two modes: daily or weekly tracking. Daily tracking provides more frequent updates, but may increase the cost of your Semrush subscription. Weekly tracking is less frequent, but also less expensive. Next, set up your target keywords and competitors. Target keywords are the phrases you want to rank for, while competitors are the websites you want to compare your performance to. You can add target keywords and competitors manually, or use the suggestions provided by Semrush. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, it's essential to set up alerts and notifications. Alerts will notify you when there are significant changes in your website's rankings, allowing you to take prompt action to address any issues. You can set up alerts for changes in rankings, keyword movements, and competitor activity. Finally, use the data and insights provided by Semrush position tracking to optimize your digital marketing strategy. Analyze your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your SEO efforts accordingly. By regularly monitoring your website's rankings and adjusting your strategy, you can improve your online visibility, drive more traffic to your website, and increase conversions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Semrush position tracking into your digital marketing strategy and achieve better results from your SEO efforts.